Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, unlock your iPhone 16 and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and identify the device entry you want to rename. If the device is connected, note that changing the iPhone name affects what others see. If not connected, you can still edit the iPhone's own Bluetooth name through General. Once you've found the correct entry, pause briefly to confirm this is the name you intend to change. You now perform the actual rename. Go to Settings, then General, then About, and tap Name. Use the keyboard to enter the new Bluetooth visible name. Be concise so it displays cleanly on other devices. Tap Done to save. This changes the iPhone system name, which is what Bluetooth broadcasts, as well as AirDrop and hotspot labels. Make sure to use characters you want others to see. Spaces and emojis are allowed, and verify the new name appears in the Bluetooth list. You finish by verifying the change. Open Settings right arrow Bluetooth and check the displayed name, then confirm on any paired device. If it doesn't update, turn Bluetooth off and on, or reboot your iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure nearby devices rescan. If the old name persists on another gadget, have that device forget the iPhone and repair. This clears cached names. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.